There are a variety of reasons why papaya juice has become more popular in recent years, despite the fact that it has long been a cultural mainstay in many parts of the world. Papaya juice nutrition. Vitamin C and folate are the most abundant vitamins in papaya juice, followed by vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin E, vitamin K, different B family vitamins, magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, manganese, and a variety of phytochemicals, carotenoids, and other antioxidant compounds. While many individuals prefer to consume papaya fruit fresh, drinking papaya juice provides a more concentrated source of these nutrients. Benefits of papaya juice. Anti-cancer activity. On breast cancer cells, papaya extracts showed antiproliferative effects. Beta-carotene, lycopene, beta-cryptoxanthin, and isothiocyanates are all antioxidants that seek for and neutralize free radicals in the body, helping to prevent cancer. Because some of these active substances increase the development of tumor-suppressing proteins, this juice can be used as a prophylactic step. Stimulates the nervous system. Copper is essential for our nervous system to communicate efficiently with other sections of the body. Copper is found in substantial amounts in papaya juice, despite the fact that it is generally neglected. Helps to build strong bones. Papaya juice includes over a dozen different minerals, many of which contribute to the strength and durability of your bones, albeit in trace levels. You can prevent or delay osteoporosis as you age by improving bone mineral density with a glass of this juice each morning. Relieves inflammation. The digesting enzyme papain is contained in this tropical fruit, but it also possesses anti-inflammatory qualities that can influence the rest of the body. It can help with arthritis, headaches, gout, irritable bowel syndrome, and high blood pressure, among other things, when combined with vitamin C and other antioxidants in this fruit. Helps to lower blood pressure. Potassium is a more specific blood pressure lowering chemical found in papaya juice. By relieving blood vessel tightness and fostering improved circulation, this famous vasodilator will ease stress and pressure on your cardiovascular system. Improves heart health. Papaya juice is high in antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels and arteries, as well as folate, which can help lower homocysteine levels and keep cholesterol levels in check. This can safeguard the integrity of your arteries and lessen your risk of cardiovascular disease, in addition to vitamin C and other vital minerals. Increases immunity. A single papaya contains more than 300% of an adult male's daily vitamin C requirement, and while some of that vitamin C will be lost during the blending process, it still provides a powerful immune system boost, especially when combined with a variety of antioxidants that help prevent mutation and chronic disease. Enhances vision. Papaya is well known as an eyesight booster, since it contains high quantities of beta-carotene, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the retina, which causes macular degeneration, as well as slow the progression of cataracts. How to make papaya juice. Papaya has a very strong sweet flavor, so most recipes include other fruits or spices to make the drink more palatable. Following are the recipe. Ingredients. 1 fresh papaya, chopped. 1/2 cup of fresh pineapple. 2 teaspoons of honey. 1 cup of water, filtered. Instructions. Remove the skin from the papaya, cut it in half, then scoop out the seeds to make papaya juice. Chop the papaya into small enough pieces to fit in your blender. In a blender, combine the papaya, pineapple, honey, and water. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the beverage has a smooth texture. If the mixture is still too thick, add more water or pineapple juice. If you want it sweeter, add additional honey and mix for another 5 to 10 seconds. Unlike many other fruit juices, papaya does not contain a lot of fibrous debris when blended, therefore no sieve or filter is required to remove the pulp. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.